Good morning. Welcome to Native Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 1,000 rupees per month to get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. This video is only for educational learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, you can consult with your financial planner before buying. Let's go to the today's prediction. The data is showing kind of a bullish but still evenly poised. Came three indications are showing bullish. These three indications showing bullish. Uh, but one indication which shows evenly poised. So whenever the evenly poised comes means we need to play much more cautiously. Why? Because 33.33% chances are there all three sides. So it is we may not know where the data is going to align with. So Nifty has full freedom. So bullish is also possible, bearish is also possible, and flat finish is also possible. 33.33% chances means we can't easily predict, but still there are certain rules, basic rules which we are following. But whenever this data is comes evenly poised, we used to trade in the hedging method, and that is the best method. Otherwise you can bid hero zero according to your risk appetite. If you are going bullish means you can trade like whatever you buy, that kind of a hero zero you need to trade. And these are all the levels which we are following. The basic rules: anything above the v1 volatile level 1 zone, anything above is a bullish zone. Anything volatile level 2 below zone is a bearish zone. In between zone we are calling it as volatile zone. So how we need to trade according to this data? If market pre-opening is in this particular level, it will be in the bearish zone. If anything trading below this level means it will be in the bearish zone. But still we had that 33.33% chances. So it still has the potential to go bullish, because this 33% chances are showing the bullish is also having equally 33.33, which means even for example if market is opened in the bearish zone, in this level bearish zone, but still it might go bullish, we need to watch out these levels. As per our rules, it's still having potential to fall down, because pivot level, anything below pivot level, it is always try to go down. Anything above pivot level, it will go above. But still, why we are warning that it still has potential to go bullish? Why? Because this particular positive average is very much high, almost 347 points, which shows it has potential to break 18,000 range. So that is one key point. And then the 80% is also there in the level of 1.93%, which is huge, around 340 points. It has potential to go once again 18,000 range. That is one key. And that 33% chances, which means if the market is not able to break this support level one, which is in the flattish side, 17 653 minus 10 points, so which means 17 643, this particular key level is not breaking, then the market is still having potential to go bullish. Or if any levels, for example these levels, or any levels, if the low is matching, even the market might go around 50-60 points downside, but low is matching in any of these levels perfectly, means it has potential to go bullish once again. Why? Because these are all not big points comparing with the positive. We have the uh, big point in the positive range as well. Why we are asking to keep hedging method? This volatile level to the bearish zone is still in the positive side, which shows two bearish warning signal. Two bearish warning signal is there. So that is the thing. Bearish warning signal is there means we must keep hedging method that will protect if things or goes in a other side. But the global scenario is kind of a mix. and Nikki is almost 2% up. So right now the SGX Nifty is showing flat kind of a pre-opening. So still the market is having potential to go bullish. Means we can't omit the call option. So that is the reason hedging method will help you. And one more thing what we need to watch out is this particular overall average level. For example, if the market is opens in the flat range as per the SGX Nifty is showing, but the higher side, these two levels, if high is not able to break these two levels, then the market is having potential to fall again. If breaking means it will go and try to reach this particular pivot level, and these pivot levels and these overall average levels will react as a resistance levels. If those two each two levels are not able to break, means market will try to fall down. So 17,773, 17,799, and 17,844 and 17,850 range, all those four ranges will react as a strong resistance level. So once it is breaking, then the market try to go towards the bullish, but the positive average is very big. That is the reason we are asking to keep the hedging method. So if you are keeping the hedging method and the Nifty is going towards to positive average around 2%, means your put option loss will be covered in the call option. So that is the reason hedging method will help you today. Otherwise you can bet on the hero zero. Why? Because we have downside three targets in hand, downside three targets in hand around 17,400 range. We are having one target and 15,901 and 15,161. Positive side, we don't have targets right now, but the potential is showing bullish. So that is the reason we asked to keep hedging method. Why? Because these ranges downside target we still have, but we are holding some put option this September month contract, as I told earlier in my video as well. So this particular downside targets any day it plunks the market and reach this average level of 15,901 at least minimum range. So that is the thing which we need to keep some put option also in hand due to the open targets or downside we still have, but the data is showing potential to go bullish. So both side, if the data is showing, means we must have to keep the hedging method or hero zero. If you want to bet hero zero some 30 points 40 points by any side and leave it as is hero zero for a week. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. The data pretty much showing that anything below 200 points market will try to fall down, but the positive average which is little higher, so that is where we ask to keep the hedging method. So positive average is much higher comparing with the negative, which shows it has potential to reach 18,000 also today. So we can't take chances. So hedging method is the best method to trade today. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.